Well, over in Dictionary Corner, we have Alex Horne and the Horne section. Introduce us to the band.
Well, we can only fit half the band, so we've got the worst half, and we've got two of my oldest friends. We've got Ben on drums and John on... Joe on trumpet, and you'll know Will Collier on bass from the Will Collier Septet, the jazz ensemble that was once described...
OK, and with Alex, of course, is Susie Dent. Susie is incredibly bright, but can you tell me this? My thermos flask keeps hot drinks hot and cold drinks cold, but how does it know?
There's going to be a funny answer to that one. What is it?
Are you asking me?
Yeah.
Bob, there's going to be... funny answer to that.
Alex, what's the best thing about being in a shit jazz band?
The thing is, because we all live together, and the best thing is they all have their instruments, obviously, constantly, so I never need to listen to my Walkman, because they're with me. So, like, say if we're in the lift, and there's no music in the lift, I can just say, Ed, would you mind? And it just makes it more atmospheric. Or sometimes at night, my wife likes me to kiss her, and it's not my forte, so I get nervous. But Pedro's always by the bed, and he sort of starts... The best one is well with his bass. Quite often I'll sort of say something at breakfast, and it's not funny, it's a bit awkward, but he can do a little sort of bass lick, like on Seinfeld, and it makes it sort of seem funny. Like, I got a letter recently, it said, your results are back and your rash is both serious and aggressive. Better, isn't it? That's good. Yeah. That's what yeah.
OK, now, Alex, you were a champion on the actual countdown. Will you be able to actually help Rachel this evening?
No, because it was very lax. There was a lot of cheating, there was a lot of steroids, and it was a dark period for...
So you were the Lance Armstrong of the countdown?
Thank you, Jimmy.
Not a compliment.
Yet.
OK, can you kick us off maybe with some music? Something musical? You got a band?
Well, Joe said not to worry too much, so we wrote something in the minibus on the way up. And it's a true story, but it doesn't have we haven't given it a name yet. It's untitled, like my dog, like my pet dog.
You haven't named your dog?
No, just dog. Doesn't matter. He doesn't mind. He knows no different. It's just dog. He thinks he's Doug, but it's dog. Shall we do our song?
Let's do a song, yeah, please.
Is it the police? Is it the fuzz? Is it the fence?
Is it the Rosses?
Is it the cops? Is it the bill? Is it the 5-0? Is it the pigs? Is it the filth?
Is it the Narcs?
Is it some bobbies? Is it Bergerac? No! It's a highway maintenance vehicle!
Now it's Christmas. Obviously, it's Christmas. I was wondering if you could play us something sort of a bit Christmassy, the Horne section.
Yes, we could sing a carol.
Oh, terrific. I would love that.
I've got one of these. OK, here we go. This is for you, Jimmy. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. No
Could you introduce the band, Alex?
I would love to, yeah. We've got Ed Sheldrake on piano, a former child. We've got the Mark Brown and Joe Auckland, the twins, on horns. Ben Reynolds, who is the lowly drummer, who's got a star sign. Got Will Collier on bass, who used to... Well, he's a member of the National Front. National Trust. National Trust.
Time to go once again to Dictionary Corner. Alex, what have you got for us this time?
Well, Jimmy, I've got a special guest for you. Because it's Christmas, we thought we'd bring along a man who's synonymous with Christmas, with his little smiley face and his red and white and black outfit. And he's actually quite a commercial figure, but we love him. I think everyone loves him, so please welcome Henry. It's Henry. Here he is. It's Henry. Here he is. It's Henry, there you go, Henry. There we go. Yeah. It's a rare... Drink it in. It's charming and chilling as an image. And what he's done, he's prepared a song for you, Henry. You're not... Sorry. He's prepared a song for you, Jimmy.
We do look alike.
Yeah.
Similar hair, Henry.
Jimmy, can I just say also, your laugh, just by the way, we think it's an F sharp. Have you got it there? It's F sharp.
Henry Hoover, Henry Hoover.
I'm a short little fat guy, always smiling. I hoover carpets, rugs and tiling.
Henry Hoover, Henry Hoover.
My enormous nose is less of a nose, it's more of a corrugated dust-sucking hose.
Dust-sucking hose. But if you want a spotless carpet, stronger cleaners are on the market. Mike, Dyson, Dustbuster Douglas, of Van Hoover Field and Electrolux Lewis.
I couldn't give a toss, I'm Henry Hoover. Spin me round, I'm quite some hoover. Force my nose in your dirty little carpet. I couldn't give a toss, it's quite cathartic. Henry Hoover! Henry Hoover!
OK, Alex, if you had to choose your favourite member of the Horne section and your least favourite member, who would they be?
It's a difficult one, really, because I don't really think of them as people. They're very much... they're sort of colleagues at best and just music machines at base level. Will's a vegetarian, so that's not great. I think my favourite is... we've got a guest saxophonist. We've got Pedro on sax, and he's properly attractive, isn't he? He's very mysterious. He doesn't speak a lot of English. He's from Birmingham, and he's... And he's got an interesting backstory, but he only speaks through music. Would you like him to tell you about himself with a little song?
Oh, yes.
Excellent. He's got a lovely voice. Pedro, do you want to sing your song? OK.
1, 2, 3, 4. No story to tell.
Alex, what sort of music do you like listening to?
Well, abbreviated songs, Jimmy. When you stop them too early, you know, when you arrive at your destination, the radio stops early, but sometimes it improves the songs. That's the sort of song I like.
I need a couple of examples now. I'm not entirely clear.
OK, well, abbreviated songs. I'll do a song by Jarvis Cocker for you. OK.
Joe Cocker.
By Joe Cocker. OK, here we go.
You are...
OK. That sort of thing.
So it's good to have the band, but what have you guys been up to recently?
Do a lot of five-a-side football on Mondays, and Will, the bassist, short for Willip. What Willip does, Willip writes adverts. He's written an advert recently for Scotland. It's not commissioned, but we're hoping it gets picked up. Do you want to hear the advert for Scotland?
Yeah.
Yes. OK. Good luck, Willip.
Thinking of holidaying in the Highlands of Scotland? Think of Glen.
Think of Glen? I think it's very good. Really good. Well, Jimmy, I did some research about Countdown and Dictionary Corner and the music they've had in it, and over the years they've had some good, you know, they've had Quattro and Wakeman and Digents, but very few drum and bass artists. Goldie and Ronnie Sides, but apart from that, hardly anyone in Dictionary Corner. So I thought... we'd do a bit of drum and bass.
OK, take it away.
This is drum and bass. This bit's just the bass. Drum bit will be soon. It won't be much of a tune. This is now the drum bit, and although it sounds quite frantic, it's going to get much faster in the bit that comes soon after, and there's sometimes proper singing, but there's never funny singing, because the drum and bass consumer isn't interested in humour. And now there's some more bass. Should be called drum or bass. But soon we'll get them together, and the drums will go hell for leather. Oh, this is drum and bass on Countdown, a bit like Dr. Dre on Fountain. I don't think it's proper music, but lots of people seem to use it. Fabio and Groove Rider, Vorderman and Richard Wiley, letters, numbers, bass and drum kit, and a little man on trumpet. Consonant. countdown.
Okay, time now to go across to Dictionary Corner. Alex, what have you got for us?
Sorry, I'm very hungry, so I thought we'd do some cooking. If that's all right.
Yeah, sure.
We're going to do cooking with music against the clock because it's countdown. So we've got a microwave. So we're going to cook. I'm going to cook a dish for Susie. You can do this at home if you want. This is. I'll instruct you how to do it. It involves an egg, and we end up with an egg dish. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. This is how to cook an egg dish. Good luck.
Pick up an egg and pick up a cup. Hit it 3 times so the egg opens up. Pour out the contents and dispose of the shell into a bin.
Here you go, mate.
Now pick up a fork. That's right, stir it all up. Give it a good old whisk, make the most of the cup. The yolk and the albumen should now look like a sort of egg. Now go to the microwave and open the door. Put in the cup, then shut the door. Type in 1 minute, and when I say now, you can press start. Here we go. Now, pick up a knife, butter the bread. Creamy and thick, a real generous spread. Pick up the ketchup and dollop it onto one slice. You're going to be eating this in a minute. Here we go. Pick up the knife, then pick up the bread. And then change your mind, put down the bread. Check on the microwave. You should see there's 30 seconds left. We're halfway to egg heaven. Now pick up your cup, because you now want a drink. You can't find the cup. Where is the cup? The cup's in the microwave, and that's where the egg is heating up. I think it's going pretty well. You don't need a drink. You just need an egg. So check on the clock. Oh, there's 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And then you just... And then we just get out the delicious egg dish here.
And this really is a treat for you, Susie. It's like an egg ball. Just put that there. Anyone could do this. And then you just gobble it up, really, once you've cooked it. So there we go, Susie.
I've just become a fruitarian.
Have you? Not interested. We're well known as quite a topical, satirical band, so we've written a song about the Olympics, about London 2012. So what you do... what you do, when you write a song, the main thing, what I've learned, when you write a song, you find a word, a good word, and then you find another word that rhymes with that word, and that's how you write a song. So this song is called Chris Hoy Loves a Savoy, and it's not a true story about how Chris Hoy became a knight.
So, well, take it away.
OK.
Chris Hoy ate a jumbo Savoy on the morning of the race. Well, it didn't work at all, because he broke the golden rule and he finished in last place. The next time he competed, yet again he put the meat in. Another Savoy for Hoy. He decided that his pedals had earned him enough medals, and Savoys brought more joy. 'Cause Chris Hoy loves a Savoy, he's such a naughty boy. His wife gets quite annoyed. Chris Hoy, Hoy, Hoy loves a Savoy. He loves a Savoy. But then one day a letter came from Her Majesty the Queen. He was to be knighted and he got quite excited, so he gave his bike a clean. But when he turned up at the palace, Dizzy Lizzie was embarrassed. She'd forgotten her sword. He said, "Don't you worry, pet. A substitute I'll get. I'll still become a lord." He opened up his panniers. They were full of jumbo bangers. There were sausages galore. She pulled out a whopper. He got down off his chopper and knelt down on the floor. Arise, ahoy of Savoy, you're such a clever man. Won't you put your sausages in the royal pan? Arise, ahoy of Savoy, you're not a naughty boy. You're not. You brought us so much joy.
Chris, hoi, 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 loves a Savaloy. He loves a Savaloy. Chris, hoi.
Alex Horne in the horn section, everyone.